Good morning, Steve for you in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have markets higher overnight. The columns were higher due to some dryness that continued across parts of southern Brazil, Paraguay, and also northeast Argentina. So we are bumping up against some key resistance levels in nearby corn, soybeans, and making almost new contract highs in the meal. And the wheat's kind of a reluctant follower. And again, over the weekend, the big headline news was the spread of the Omicron virus and the cancellation of U.S. airline flights due to short staff, and some increased concerns about supply chain issues if the Omicron continues to spread. It's not as severe as the Delta, but there is still quarantine time for those that get tested positive. The other news is weather. U.S. Southern Plains should remain dry. We're getting snow in the northern California, across the northern plains, and rains in the Tennessee Valley. The extended 2-week forecast does have some shower activity across the southern plains, but it's not really going to help the overall drought situation. So we'll see if the market wants to pause a little bit here, especially in the wheat, before trending higher. Down in South America, again, Paraguay, Paraná, Rio Grande do Sul, and northeast Argentina were dry. The extended 2-week forecast does have some showers for parts of Paraná, Paraná, and Mato Grosso, but keeps Rio Grande do Sul dry, and also will keep northeast Argentina dry. So it's not as dry as the recent forecast, but it remains dry in some of the key areas. So the key thing is, number one, are there any crop losses in Brazil and Argentina? And then number two, will the USDA show that in the January 12th report? Usually this time of year is pretty quiet. A lot of people taking time off, but traders have to be watching some of these key resistance levels. Overnight, we've got the dollar moving higher while the crude is lower. Copper, gold, and silver are also lower. We've got a lot of uncertainty as to inflation, what the Fed policy is going to do, the Omicron spread, and the effect it has on the economy. In a positive note, China has said they're going to stimulate their economy and see if that helps some of their import demand of commodities. So we'll just see about the money flow and whether we come up against key resistance here in a slight change in South America and U.S. weather patterns. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Hope everybody had a safe and happy holiday, and hope 2022 is a safer and very positive year. But I do think it'll see an increase in volatility.